Passive income ideas. Do you have any passive income now? Is passive income something you're looking for? Passive income is one thing many people want. If you get on YouTube and search for how you can earn passive income, you'll be sure to see hundreds or even thousands of videos. Several videos claim they can make thousands of dollars through passive income. While watching these videos, I couldn't help but think that maybe I'm just a pawn for them to make passive income. These videos aren't very realistic. They make you believe that passive income is a quick way or a shortcut to get rich. But that's not what passive income is. So that's what we'll be discussing today. I want to help you earn passive income through realistic ways that you can apply in your life. Get one step closer to having the financial freedom and stability you've always wanted. So sit back and continue watching. Welcome to Savvy, where we have lots of practical wisdom to share. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more advice here on Savvy. Today, I'll share with you passive income ideas. A single dollar has value. The same goes for other currencies, even if it is just a single dollar. That $5,000 you just saved is a series of $1 decisions. Every dollar that makes up the totality of your money now is valuable, because each dollar you've earned is something you worked for. Don't underestimate a single dollar. I'll share a total of 7 passive income sources and realistic ideas you can try out for yourself. So let's not put it off any longer and get right to it. The first source is index investing. Sounds complex, right? Especially if you aren't in the stock market. Don't worry, because I'll explain what it is for you to grasp this entirely. An index fund is a group of stocks that track the market index. An example is the S&P 500. So why is this a good thing to invest in? All you need to do is put your money in there and leave it there. The market may be volatile and isn't doing so well, but eventually it'll bounce back. In some years, it will do good. In others, it won't. I'm not a professional financial advisor, so you should do your research before putting your money into anything. But suppose you're looking for a way to grow your money. In that case, you should consider the stock market, especially index fund investing, because you don't need to know anything except put your money in and leave for it to grow with the time. The second passive income source is credit card hacking. No, I'm not telling you to hack another person's credit card. Let's not do that. I'm talking about credit card hacking when you maximize your credit card's value, rewards, and benefits. Credit cards can be dangerous because of credit card debt. You have to be self-aware. Do you think you have enough self-control? Are you disciplined enough? Can you live by your means? These are questions you must ask yourself before getting a credit card. That's unless you want to have credit card debt, which in this case, no one wants. If you have enough self-control, you should add credit card hacking to your passive income sources list. A form of credit card hacking is cashback rewards. Most credit card issuers offer cashback rewards on every purchase using that card. The cashback could be around 1 to 5% on average. This is an excellent way to earn a passive income because you must use your credit card when you purchase something. 1 to 5% might not sound like a lot. Still, the accumulation of all the cashback you will receive could add up to a substantial amount. But always remember to pay off your credit card balance every month. What source of passive income are you willing to try out? Please share it with us in the comments below. The third source is grocery store hacking. A similar concept to credit card hacking, but now using the grocery store system. No, again, you won't be hacking the grocery store system. The main principle behind this one is a penny saved is a penny earned. So basically, you're just going to have to be strategic when grocery shopping to save a lot of money. When you save money, That counts for passive income. What are ways you can do this? First, you can try out grocery store apps on which you can get deals. Sometimes you can also earn bonus points that you can use for gas. So before going to the grocery store, check out the deals you can get. But be critical, because sometimes what you think is a deal is just a marketing strategy for you to think you're getting the better end of the deal. Another way is to get generic food. Usually it's all the same, so if you choose between a branded one and a generic one, remind yourself of what you need because every penny counts. Next is car hacking. No, not stealing cars. We don't do that here, and neither do you. It's strategically using your card to make money. How can you do this? You can download Gas Buddy. This isn't sponsored, by the way. Gas Buddy is an app you can install on your device that can tell you where you can get the cheapest gas. Sometimes it's around 40 or 50 cents cheaper. Yes, it doesn't sound like a lot, but the accumulation is what you should consider. If you do this every single time in a year, you'd be able to save maybe a couple hundred in a year, which is already passive income. Another is strategic driving. If you can jog to your gym instead of making the drive for 5 minutes, not only do you get some exercise in, but you also save on gas. Fifth is bill hacking. Paying your bills on time to avoid installment fees and interest. Let's say, for example, that you're getting car insurance, and you can either pay for it in 6 months or pay for it in a month. If you go for the second option, you won't need to pay installment fees, which will save you a lot of money. If you go about it this way, with every bill you have, choosing the option that will save you the most money, you will be saving a lot more. The sixth source is prep hacking. Prep hacking is, take a guess. If you thought about being prepared, then you're right. If you couldn't get it, then better luck next time. Be prepared every time you leave your house. Bring your water and a snack to avoid buying at the gas station, which will save you a lot of money. The last source is not spending on things you don't need. If it's just for the hype or you want to hop on the trend, don't. This isn't necessary. Don't give in to your FOMO. I'm not saying deny yourself what you want every single time, but you'll need to remember to have that certain balance of spending on what you need and what you want. That's enough practical wisdom for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up below. We will be posting 4 to 5 videos per week, so click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of our new videos weekly. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.